Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is staying at home, taking all the safety measures, and eating healthy food. Do take care of your health and follow all the safety measures that we need to follow. So let's start with our second English class. Yesterday, we didn't go through the explanation part of the chapter. Today, we will go through the explanation part and also we will read out the first two pages of the chapter. As I read out, please go through the book and try to know the words. And you also read it at home after my reading part is over. So, your first chapter is Black Beauty, which is written by Anna Sewell. Now, Black Beauty is based on a male horse. It is written on a male horse. So let's go through the reading part of the first page. Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. He began his life as a carefree colt called Darky. As soon as Darky was old enough to eat grass, his mother would go out to work in the daytime. Be good while I go to the work for Farmer Gray. Darky played with the other 6 colts on the farm. Sometimes the colts would gallop fast or kick and bite each other. But his mother always taught him to work hard and be kind. You have been well bred and well born. Your father is well known. Your grandfather won the cup at the Newmarket races twice. Your grandmother is gentle and kind. Learn from them all. You must do your work well and never bite or kick. So, Black Beauty is a tale, a short story on a handsome horse. The horse was very beautiful to look and he used to live on an English farm. Before he began his journey in life, he was a carefree colt, a small male horse, and his name was Darky. So when Darky was old enough and he is able to eat the grass by himself, his mother would go out in the daytime for work, and before going out she always used to tell him that while I am away you have to behave properly, you have to be good, and please take care of yourself. So Darky used to play with the other 6 colts in the farm as their parents also used to go out for work. So they were busy in playing and they used to gallop very fast. Sometimes they used to kick each other and sometimes they also bite each other. So when his mother used to know all these things, and she always used to taught him that please work hard and be kind. You know that you are eating well, you are brought up well, you are born in a very reputed family, because your father is very well known in his work and your grandfather also won the cup at the Newmarket races twice. Your grandmother is very gentle and she is very kind, so you must learn everything from them and you must not kick or never bite anyone. Apart from that, you have to work well. So that is the first page explanation. Let's move on with the second page. Their master, Farmer Gray, was a good man who looked after them well. Well, dear pet, how is the little Darky? But sometimes Dick, the plough boy, would hide in the hedges and throw stones and twigs at the horses. What fun it is to watch them jolt and gallop away. One day, Farmer Gray happened to notice Dick's cruel game. He thought sorry, he caught Dick by the arm and scolded him. "This is the last time you trouble my horses. Leave my farm at once." Their master, whose name was Farmer Gray, he was a very good man, and he always loved all the horses that were living there, and he took care of them. Sometimes he also used to talk with them, and he used to ask Darky's mother that how is your little Darky, how is he well. He used to talk with the horses. But sometimes when he is not in the farm, the plough boy, whose name was Dick, he always used to hide in the hedges and throw stones and twigs at the horses. That was a kind of fun for him, and he's very happy to watch them when they used to run and gallop away when he throws stones and twigs at the horses. But one day, unfortunately, when he was doing that thing, Farmer Gray happened to notice him, and he got very angry. He went up to Dick and immediately caught up his arm and scolded him. And he said that this is the last time that you are troubling my horses. Next time, if you do so, I'm going to give you a severe punishment. So immediately leave my farm at once. So that is the second page explanation. Rest of the reading and the explanation part we will do in the next class. Today's assignment you will get in the PDF form in the campus care. Do look at the PDF, complete your work, and write down in a very beautiful handwriting. Thank you and have a wonderful day.